In today's video, I am going to teach you how to slice a photo in Canva. By the end, you'll confidently create eye-catching sliced photo effects using Canva's built-in tools without any extra software. First, open your design in Canva. This can be any project where you've already placed a photo, like a social post, a presentation slide, or a poster. Once your design is open, click directly on the photo you want to slice. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. If you have multiple images on the page, make sure the right one is highlighted, so the effect applies exactly where you want it. With the photo selected, head to the Apps section. You'll find the Apps button in the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see it right away, look for it near your Uploads and Elements panels. Alternatively, you can access similar options by opening the Edit Photo menu that appears above your canvas and searching for Slice. Either route takes you to the same effect, so use whichever is quicker for you. Now choose a preset to set the overall vibe. You'll see options like chipped, sliced, minced, or torn. Think of these as starting points. Chipped and torn tend to feel rough and organic, while sliced and minced are cleaner and more geometric. Pick one that matches your design's tone, knowing you can refine it right after. Next, adjust the settings to dial in the look. Use the offset slider to control the distance between each slice. The higher the number, the wider the gaps. Use the count slider to choose how many slices you want. Fewer slices create bold, chunky cuts, while more slices produce a finer, more intricate pattern. Finally, use position to shift where the slice pattern sits on your photo, helping you frame key details like faces or text areas just right. As you move the sliders, watch the live preview so you can find that sweet spot between visual interest and readability. When you are happy with the effect, click Save. This applies the slice as a new image in your design, so you can continue editing. Reposition it on the canvas or compare it with your original image without losing anything. It's a clean, non-destructive way to experiment and keep your layout flexible. That's it. Thanks for watching.